Hi people, it's me Nandita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those who doesn't know me, it's Nandita, an actor and now content creator. Yes. So this is my another vlog about, you can see all the boxes. Yes, you got it right. I have been to Art of Living and then when I came back, I have received so many boxes. Some of are like I shopped online and some of I received, and yeah, why should I not show you these many products I've received and what are the things I ordered for the summer and some of things for my house and everything. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I can't wait to open these boxes and see what are the products I've received and which is good, which is not. Yes, right, we have to return it on time, otherwise I know that is the thing happens. End of the day, online shopping is kind of a scam and we end up losing a lot of money when the product is good. Sometimes the product is bad, and I don't say bad, the quality is not good, right? So I thought I'll shoot this and what are the products I've bought. I don't know, like in last week, that Amazon had some sale and I've ordered some of the product which, yes, wait, I'll show you. Okay, this is a hair band which I ordered from Amazon, which I felt, I always, right, I'm a bun girl. Let me show you how I put this. So most of the time I will be, my hair is a very frizzy hair. So what I do is I just put a bun like this and just go, because makeup is not a problem for me, but the hair definitely is, and it's too frizzy and I always try to find out some easy style, easy hair hair accessories. So yeah, this is the thing. See, while talking only I just put this and it is looking good. Bought for my wardrobe where I can put the caps, just fix it and put the caps. I'll show you how it has to be, properly fixed, and I'll show you how I'm going to use this. But yes, this is going to be useful for my wardrobe to keep hats, caps, because it is consuming so much of space in my wardrobe. Only caps are taking one drawer, so I ordered this and I wanted to check how this is going to be useful. Yes, definitely. And there was another product which I ordered from Amazon, which is a pillow cover. So my daughter also told me to use a silky pillow cover, otherwise I'm going to end up having a lot of pimples. So, so I ordered a pair of pillow cover from Amazon. I wanted to check the quality and then buy a couple of more pillow covers and pillow sheets. So this is the one. Obviously pink is the safest color, so I ordered this, and they have given me a couple of crunchies. They're attracting giving all this, but I didn't order this, and this is the product. Okay, for the money what I paid for this covers, yeah, it's fine, it's fine. As I mentioned it in my previous vlog, you guys know that my love for kurtis day by day is increasing and I'm ordering so many kurtas. There are two kurtas. No, this is a frock. And why am I getting so many big frocks? I'm being safe and getting it stitched. This is definitely not my size, but I'll exchange it. And the quality is also good, man. You can see, yeah. Because it's summer, guys, I'm liking this kind of stuffs and quality is also good. Then take a medium size, and yeah, this is going to be my wardrobe. This is another kurti set which I ordered, and it's a very lovely set. I'll show you wearing this, and yeah, knock knock. Yeah, this is the dress which I ordered. Again, it is loose. I don't know, all the time I order something which is quite loose and more put on weight. No, not at all. I like the dress which is flowy, so I order. If it is too loose, I definitely get it stitched and then wear it. So yeah, if I'm a medium size, I don't buy small size and all to show my curve and all. I want dresses which is more comfortable. Yeah. So this is the dress. The color is good. Everything is good. Right? Opening this box, I'm extremely happy because nowadays I'm a matcha girl. I drink matcha a lot and I need cups, different cups to post some beautiful pictures on Instagram and YouTube shorts also. So there is a cup which I saw which was looking too sexy. So I bought this slub glass which I can use it for my chocolate, hot chocolate or matcha, those kind of things I can use. And oh, can you see this? This is cute. Something like this. I can post some pictures with this, right? It's very nice. I like it. Okay, this is a lighter for my room. I'm a candle girl again. In the room every evening I switch on the... What's happening? Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. The couple of beauty products also I wanted and I ordered it from Nykaa. Of course, Nykaa is having their sale and it's not a sponsored video, so which I ordered. And nowadays my skin, my hand is getting too dry. Trust me, it is getting too dry. So what I'm doing, hand creams. I started using hand creams because we are using sanitizer again and again also. So this has become a habit. So you also keep a hand cream in your bag so that whenever you feel it's dry, you can use the hand cream. So for the first time I ordered from Nykaa brand Honeysuckle and White Tea hand cream. Let's try this because I just took shower and I didn't apply anything to my hand. Yeah, this happens. I don't like the heavy fragrance perfumes, deodorants or hand creams, moisturizer. Oh wow! This is so good. This is very mild and I saw a lot of reviews about this particular fragrance hand cream and smell is so important, guys. Smell is very important. So for me the perfumes or anything, the smell has to be good and mild. And the second product, it is Deep Cleansing Oil from DTH. DTH brand ka facial cleanser I never used. That's why I ordered only 30 ml of bottle. I want to try this and see because I've used all sort of makeup remover. So I'm not sure. I don't want to end up spending more money and this is quite costly also. So I got it a small bottle so this is the first time I'm using Simple brand moisturizer. It's a very soothing skin moisturizer, that's what they mentioned, and I saw a lot of people are suggesting about this moisturizer. Before that I was using Acosma and Biotic something, yeah, that moisturizer, and which is quite costly. So when I'm not doing makeup and when I'm just like that at home, I can use this product and I wanted to try this. So I ordered Simple moisturizer, day moisturizer. Yeah, I will try it. Most of the times I order and I forget. Do you guys also do that? I don't know. I forget what I ordered when I am opening the box and I feel like, this is the one I ordered. Okay, good. Okay, this is a lipstick holder. And I love that. All the the small lipsticks, lip balms you can keep, and it's so cute. So affordable also. So I ordered one more. I need, guys, I have like more than 100 lipsticks. I'm a lipstick girl, so so I've ordered this, and I should. So coming back to the point, this is one of the beautiful vase which I ordered, and this is again a beige color which is suitable to my room. So when I saw this, I kind of loved it. It's good, no? It's quite cute. So it was also quite affordable. comfortable, so I thought I'll order this and then keep it in this room. I don't know, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'll keep it. I got this hamper, when I came back from Art of Living, I saw this hamper and I thought I'll open it in front of you all. This is from 1-8 Commune. It's a club pub which is there in Bangalore, which is owned by Mr. Virat Kohli. So something exciting, no? So they have sent me the hamper and yeah, let me show you what is there in the box. Oh, this is not a glass, like glass which breaks. No, not that one. So it is very strong. So I can use it for anything. Come on. And there's a short one. And these are, I think, perfumes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for the hamper. See, whatever I ordered, guys, whatever I order from any of the website, one of the other things will be there for Mr. Kushi. For Kushi, there is one or the other product which I ordered, and also I'm expecting one product should be there in this box for him, but I'm not sure what I have ordered. Okay, okay, this is apple cider vinegar which I ordered because my health is really going bad and I have to take care of my health, and I decided to use apple cider vinegar. I used to use earlier, but what do you say, I stopped it again and now I ordered it again. I have to use this. There are so many good habits which I started in 2024. Let me know if you guys want to know what are the good habits I started and which is really good, and I'm enjoying those process. See, I told you no. See, this is for Kushi to brush him because you have seen his pictures. His hair is very dense. People think he's fat. He's a very healthy baby. I'll show you how he is. Of course he's here. You don't believe, no? He's here. Let me show you. Kushi. Today he took shower, so he's very tired today. See? Trust me, those who are having pets definitely will have a good time and positive energy around them. And I can do anything for this guy. I don't know. I get emotional. No, Kushi? So, yeah, for Kushi, one of the other things I'll be ordering, and he's a very attached guy to me, and he's my world. And thanks to D-Show, in Chapali na birthday time lo naku ichindi ee oka pet, and he's there with me. I can't, I keep talk about this guy for now. I'll stop this. This color to any of my dress, my swimsuit. Anyways, I'm going to return this and get the another color. And this cap has a different style, which because we have hair and it goes inside, there is a space for it. The product is good, but not the color. I'm definitely going to change it. First time in my life, through Amazon, I have ordered one kurta set, which is a very, very sexy color. I told you, I'm loving kurtas and salwar sets nowadays. Oh, no, let me wear it and talk to you. Wow. The one thing which comes to my mind wearing this dress is just wow. I didn't have the purple or onion color kurta set, salwar set, whatever you call it. So yes, it's very good, comfortable and affordable, and from Amazon for the first time. It is again quite loose. I have to fix it, something like that. But guess what? I'm keeping this. Okay, these are the products which I received recently from online, and a couple of things are really good, which I have to fit it properly. Yeah, I can do that. And yes, this is the end of this vlog. Hope you like it. and let me know what are the products you're buying from this. I'm going to put up all the links for sure. And what else? I kind of go so blank whenever I'm doing vlog at the end when I'm winding up the the vlog. So I'm not sure. So I never say like please subscribe to my channel here. So if you like it, definitely you're going to do it. That's what I always feel. And yes, what's the next vlog? Let me know in comments. I am going to do that. Right now, this is a bare face girl Nandita. Real to real. See you again in the next vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and blessing me, wishing me, and you all means a lot to me. Love ya. Bye.